How to loop a video in Premiere Pro. First drag and drop your video into the Premiere Pro project. I am dragging it directly onto the timeline. Now right-click on the video and select Unlink. Select the audio layer and delete it. Now hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the video clip to create a copy of it. Attach this clip next to the first clip. Now right-click on the second clip and select Speed/Duration from the list. Check the reverse speed box and then click on OK. If I play it, as you can see, this is the perfect loop for our video, and it is shifting very smoothly to the next clip. Now, to make the loop longer, just select the first clip and press the Alt key on your keyboard and drag to make a copy of it. Now copy the reversed clip, and then you can select all the 4 clips and copy all of them to make the loop longer and longer. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.